Here's a secret. The key to making her think about you non-stop isn't by being available 24/7 or showering her with compliments. No, it's something far more powerful. Imagine you could make her feel something so deep, something so unforgettable that she can't shake it off, even when she's not with you. And no, I'm not talking about playing games. It's about a few subtle shifts in how you interact with her. Stick with me and I'll show you how to make her mind constantly drift back to you. Number 1. The power of intrigue. Picture this. You've been talking to her for a while and you've shared plenty of laughs, casual moments, but one day, as the conversation flows, you tell her about a trip you took last summer, but only give her bits and pieces of the story. You mention how incredible the place was, but you don't explain why it was so meaningful to you. Instead, you just say, "Maybe I'll tell you the rest sometime." She's intrigued. She wonders, what happened there? Why was it so important to him? Now, every time you cross her mind, she's replaying that conversation, trying to piece together the missing details. You've created a mystery, and mystery is incredibly magnetic. Number 2, creating emotional impact. Imagine you're at dinner together, and the mood shifts. You've been talking about everyday things, but suddenly you start sharing something real. It's not dramatic, but it's personal. Maybe you tell her about a moment in your life when you were going through a tough time and how you pulled yourself through. It's not to get sympathy, but to show her that you're human, vulnerable, and strong. The conversation takes a turn, and you feel this deeper connection that's not about looks or small talk. It's about shared understanding. As she drives home later that night, she can't help but think about what you said. That emotional impact lingers in her thoughts, reminding her of the connection you just built. Number 3, the subtle art of scarcity. There's a story I want you to imagine. You've been texting her non-stop and she's been loving it. But one day, you stop replying instantly. You wait an hour, maybe 2, before responding. She might feel a little puzzled at first, thinking, "What's going on? Why the delay?" But then something shifts. She starts to wonder where you are, what you're doing. She's no longer in control of when she gets to hear from you. That scarcity, that little bit of distance, begins to make her value your time and attention more. She'll find herself thinking about you, not just when you're with her, but when you're not around. The absence makes her miss you, and missing you keeps you in her thoughts. Number 4, building a life outside of her. One evening, after a fun day together, she asks, "What are you up to this weekend?" Instead of saying, "Oh, I'll be free to hang out," you casually reply, "Actually, I've got some things planned. I'm catching up with a friend and working on a project I've been excited about." It's not that you're brushing her off, you're simply showing her that you have your own life, your own passions. In that moment, she sees you as someone with depth, someone who isn't just waiting around for her to fill up your time. And you know what happens next? She starts to think, "What's he up to when he's not with me?" Your independence makes you more intriguing. It makes her miss you before she even realizes it. Number 5, consistent yet unpredictable. Imagine a situation. You've been consistent in your interactions with her, kind, funny, always there. But then, one evening, you do something unexpected. Maybe you suggest an impromptu trip or message her at a random time with a playful, unexpected text. It's not that you're trying to be unpredictable for the sake of it, but you're adding an element of surprise. It could be something as simple as suggesting a surprise date idea, or bringing her a small gift that means something personal. It's that little unpredictable element that makes her anticipate what comes next. She starts wondering, what's he gonna do next? What's his next surprise? The unpredictability makes her think about you even when you're not together. Number 6, confidence and self-sufficiency. Think back to the last time you were in a situation where someone was overly dependent on you, constantly seeking validation or reassurance. It's draining, right? Now, imagine being with someone who isn't seeking constant approval, someone who has their own life, their own ambitions, and isn't looking for validation from others to feel good. That's the kind of person you want to be. When you're confident in who you are and what you do, you don't need to cling to someone for attention. This self-sufficiency is magnetic. Picture her sitting at home, thinking about you, wondering how you manage to balance everything so effortlessly. That kind of person, someone who doesn't need validation, sticks in her mind. Number 7. The power of small, meaningful gestures. Picture this. You're having a casual day together, just talking and enjoying each other's company. Then, out of nowhere, you recall something she said a few weeks ago. Maybe she mentioned how much she loved a particular type of music or a book she was reading. You bring it up again, but this time, you add something special. Perhaps you mention a song you thought she'd love, or even surprise her with a thoughtful gesture, like showing up with a book you knew she'd enjoy. She's taken aback, not because you're showing her attention, but because you remembered something so small, something that meant something to her. In that moment, she realizes that you're not just listening to her words, you're truly paying attention to her life. This kind of small, meaningful gesture doesn't just impress her, it sticks with her. It shows her that you care about the details, the things that make her unique, and that's the kind of thoughtfulness that keeps her thinking about you long after the moment has passed. Number 8. Creating emotional vulnerability without overdoing it. Now, imagine this. It's been a few months, and the two of you are starting to feel comfortable with each other. One day, you find yourselves in a quiet, relaxed setting. Maybe you're sitting at the park or enjoying a cup of coffee together, and the conversation naturally shifts into deeper territory. You don't force it, but you decide to share something personal. Maybe it's a past struggle, an obstacle you overcame, or something that shaped who you are today. It's not a sob story or a way to get sympathy. It's simply you being open and trusting her with a piece of yourself. She listens intently, and there's this connection that deepens because you're being genuine. It's not about dumping your emotions, but about letting her in just a little. You're still in control of your emotions, but you're allowing her to see you as a person with depth. That moment sticks with her long after the conversation ends. When she reflects on it, she thinks about how you let her into your world, just enough to create a bond that feels real and grounded. And that emotional vulnerability, shared at the right moment, makes her think about you for days, because it's not something she sees every day. It's rare, it's real, and it makes you unforgettable. Now you know how to keep her thinking about you non-stop by creating mystery, building emotional connection, and making your presence something she can't easily forget. If you want more tips like these on building a genuine and lasting attraction, make sure to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. What part of this strategy are you most excited to try? And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more actionable insights on relationships and creating deep connections that stand the test of time. Remember, it's not about tricks or manipulation. It's about being authentic, engaging, and creating those moments that make her keep coming back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.